Hi, this is Chantal Gerardy from Facebook Fit for Business. Here are the 8 fundamentals of Facebook. Number 1 is know who you are. Now this may seem simple to you, but the truth behind it is that sometimes we don't actually know who we are, what we stand for, what we're about. So until we're clear on that, we can't really run a successful Facebook strategy. Number 2 is know who your ideal client is. So the best way to do this is to sit down and over a period of time, just consider who is your ideal client, where they are, where they like to hang out, how they're feeling, their fears, their aspirations, their wants, their needs, and how you can help them. Number 3 is know your competition. This isn't so that we can copy them. This is so that we can go and have a look at what it is that they're doing and see what we can do to improve our online presence on Facebook. So I recommend that you go and have a little look, a little stalk, Facebook stalk, and see what your competitors or like-minded industries are doing on Facebook and how you can use that to improve your business. Number 4 is keep your branding consistent. So we all know that people like to buy from people they know, like, and trust. So if your branding is consistent and your message is clear, they're going to trust you and want to do business with you. Number 5 is have a strategic plan. So if we're just going to post, and we don't have a strategic plan, chances are we're going to hit and miss. So the other thing about Facebook is it's all well and good to go and post, but if you have no strategy beforehand, we're not going to be able to know what to do with them or how to convert those posts into clients, people that walk through your door, because ultimately that's what we want. We're not on Facebook just to go post. We're on Facebook to get new clients, right? So let's have a look. Number 6 is R&R. So this isn't rest and relaxation. R&R is review and respond. So once a week, step outside of yourself and have a look at your overall Facebook online strategy or profile and have a look at what's worked and hasn't worked. And of course, respond, because people, if you're going out and you're posting, the whole point of that is to engage, to get a conversation going so that you can build relationships and trust. So we need to respond to those people and then convert them. Yes, get them off Facebook as quickly as possible. Number 7 is, get them off Facebook. So it's all well and good having these relationships and this back and forth over Facebook, but we need to get them off Facebook. One thing to remember is that Facebook owns all Facebook content. So if they decide one day to close Facebook groups, what are you going to do with all those communities that you have or all those relationships that you've built on there? So you need to get those people off Facebook as quickly as possible. And number 8 is make sure that you have a professional profile. If you look suspicious, if you look like you don't have your contact details in there, you don't have professional pictures up, your privacy settings, you're not using them correctly, and you've got inappropriate photos that have suddenly popped up of you being tagged in something, you're not going to build trust with people, and you're going to look a little bit dodgy, a little bit suspicious, and people aren't going to want to do business with you. So those are my 8 fundamentals of Facebook. If you are keen to set up a strategic plan around your Facebook campaign and start to run a professional profile, give me a call on 0400 107706 or join my Facebook Fit for Business private Facebook group where I can help support you.